What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope you guys have had a great day overall. Anyways, today's video, guys, we are going to be talking about the new MaxShine Mini Polisher version 2, right? I've had a lot of inboxes on this one if I was planning on getting it. And I had said, I don't know, right? Because my version 1 that I have from, I think, last year is doing really, really well. But many of you guys wanted to know, is the upgrade better than the original version of the Mini Polisher? And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking a little bit on both the, the original one and then this new one, how it looks. Is it different? Do I like it? That's exactly what this video is about. So stick around and let's get started. Let's start this video by talking about how amazing they've done their case. Going from the version 1, right? This was the original bag or case that it came with, right? And I really liked it. But I was definitely wowed when I saw this case. This case definitely looks much more premium. They've gone ahead and did this patch here stitched in. I don't know, this just gives me that quality vibe. It gives me that that professional just look overall, right? Aside from that, guys, they also added these MaxShine little tabs on the zippers, and I think that's what they're called. I don't know, but these things right here, they put the MaxShine logo on them. Overall, guys, as far as presentation goes, this one I am definitely enjoying it, right? One of the benefits of this new polisher, right? They are saying it's much smoother than the version 1. So we're definitely going to be seeing if I can tell a difference, right? Let's go ahead and open it up really quick so you guys can see it. And I apologize for my squeaky table. And I'm going to flip this around so you guys can get a glimpse of this beautiful machine. And I gotta be honest with you guys, when I opened this up, I was very, very happy because they've definitely made some changes aesthetically, right? And it just looks more premium, right? We're gonna be talking a little bit on the price as well. But right off the bat, guys, a huge plus that I do like is they've definitely upgraded their bag, right? It comes with red finishing pads, 5 pieces. It comes with some yellow polishing pads, blue microfiber pads, wool cutting pads. So it comes in a 1/2 inch and 2 inch pads. The bag is just amazing. This is really, really nice, guys. It gives you just that, again, I think you're gonna hear me say a lot throughout this video, just that quality look. It looks much, much better, guys. And if I open my older bag, you guys are gonna see this is the bag that the version 1 came in with, all the different types of sponges. So check that out. That's a plus. As far as improving the look, this new polisher gives me that quality. It gives me that professional look. You know, this is great, but I gotta say, I was wowed with this new package style, right? Next, it also comes with your manual, right? It comes with your manual, so definitely read through that. It comes with your, we're gonna leave this to the very end. It comes with this piece here for you to screw your plates and all of that. It also comes with a charger, and it comes with 2 of your 12-volt batteries. And from that, when you take this box off, it comes with this casing. This goes around your polisher as well. And it also comes with your attachments. That is a 2-inch. Comes with your 1-inch backing plate. And aside from that, it comes with your 12 millimeter orbit. And then this one should be your 3 millimeter orbit. And I love how they've definitely thought through this very, very well. Because on the older ones, I don't see it on here, and you guys are about to see, but these older ones, they're not marked, right? So if you're a new guy using some of these, you will be very, very confused. And check these out. The new ones come labeled. So MaxShine has definitely thought through this scenario here where you can see the orbit, right? 12 millimeter, 3 millimeter orbit. And as well, it comes with your rotary. You can make it into rotary. It also comes with your extensions, with this extension here that you can put on your polisher to kind of get it. They call it the extension shaft, sorry. And this helps kind of get into more intricate areas, right? So for that, I definitely have enjoyed much more this new and upgraded version for sure of the MaxShine mini polisher. Now for the moment of truth, guys, let's take a look at this new machine. This thing looks really, really nice. I love how they integrated this here. Very well balanced in my opinion. And one of the major things that they upgraded was it now has this LED display. But I'm gonna get into that here throughout this video, and I'm gonna tell you other things that I loved about this new polisher. So let me kind of put all these things to the side, and we're gonna be talking about the polisher. I want to say thank you so much to MaxShine for sending me their brand new mini polisher. I'm very grateful. So thank you so much for this amazing gift. But we are here for the truth, right? A lot of you guys really want to know, is this polisher worth the money, right? Or should I upgrade from the original MaxShine, right? I purchased this one last year when it came out, and I have been very, very pleased with this machine. No problem whatsoever. The battery life has been perfect for me. I've never felt it like overheat. So I've been very, very happy with this polisher for the past year. It has multiple hours and it has put its work, right? One of the amazing things right off the bat I saw, and I was really happy, is on their first polisher, this thing was alphabetical. I was so confused by that. And it's kind of like, it's more like hidden in a way, right? Whenever I looked at this new one and I pulled it out, the first thing I saw was they have a numerical dial. So for that, thank you so much for adding the numerical dial, because I didn't understand the alphabetical. I'll be very honest. I didn't understand the meaning behind that one. So I was really hoping for a numerical dial, and they definitely added that as well. I was a little bit concerned because on my old one, you can see the battery right here. So it had a battery display, but on their new one, it doesn't have no battery display. So that one was very concerning, because I was like, well, how am I supposed to know when the battery's gonna go out? And I finally kind of like, when I put this battery in, I think I had accidentally like pressed this, and then I noticed that the battery life was at the bottom. So that was really cool, because now you can just press the bottom right here and you'll see the battery. So for that, thank you so much. It really kind of takes away or it makes this polisher look more professional in a way. because I don't know, like with that dial away, now that I think about it, I'm like, it just looks really good at the bottom, and it really keeps the main focus of the polisher right up here. And that is where we come to the little screen right here, right? One of the reasons I love this polisher is because of this little screen here. Many polishers or many detailers who are starting to get into this polishing stage, this is gonna be such a tremendous help for them because they're gonna be able to see what RPMs they are running. You're gonna see on this next video or this clip kind of playing right now, how when you turn it on, it has that nice little start. It's not like a fast start, but it gives you a nice slow start. And it gives you every RPM as you go up. I think it goes all the way up to 4,700. And you can feel the power on this polisher and the smoothness. This one is definitely much smoother than the version 1 that I have. So for that, I definitely liked as well. So on this one, they say they made it smoother, which I can definitely see it at a push of a button. And they added more torque on this one for, obviously better correction. And they improved the battery life on this one. I've never had an issue with my batteries, but they improved these, which I will charge. And on a more later video, there will be a very dedicated video to this polisher, seeing how it performs on a vehicle. Do I like it now that it's really out in the real world, right? That video is going to be more later on in the next couple of weeks. But overall, I am very excited for this new polisher. They've definitely upgraded it. It definitely feels more professional in a way, and I've really enjoyed it. This one here is about 80 watts. This polisher is 80 watts, so there's definitely some power in this one. And one thing I think I did see is I could never use the trigger lock on this one. Let me try on this one. Bam! So it actually locks. That's a plus. On this one, I could never get it. Even if I tried, I could never get the trigger lock. So they've upgraded the trigger lock. They've upgraded to a screen, LCD screen I think it's called. And they upgraded battery life. They upgraded overall performance on it. So is the $249 price tag worth the upgrade, right? Or maybe you're planning on getting your next mini polisher. In my opinion, after really playing with this one, obviously I haven't tried it in any of the vehicles, but I have played with it here at home. I think if it's in your finances to upgrade your polisher and you've been wanting to maybe get one, this is definitely the polisher to get. And I'm going to tell you because you can use my code serranos15 at checkout and you're going to get 15% off, right? So this one's usually $249. I'm going to take that with my discount. This might come out to like maybe $227, maybe $230 plus free shipping. It really makes sense. And guess what? This will pretty much, you will pay it very quickly because it is priced very affordable in my opinion, right? I know some are leaning towards the Griot, some want Rupes. For me, Maxshine has definitely been a brand that I have bought and used for many years, and I back it 100%. So if you've been looking into a polisher for your business, definitely check this one out. I'll be posting the link in the description. Don't forget, use the code, save yourself some money. But as always, thank you guys for watching today's video. So as always, God bless you guys. I'll catch you next time.